Alright, welcome. This is the homework solution. This is Tuesday, February 19. Alright, and this is for week 25. Tuesday. The first one. It says, tell whether the number is written in scientific notation or not. Alright, that is 6 through 11. So let's do a little review before we do the problem. The criteria for it to be in scientific notation is that this part, which is called the factor, needs to be greater than or equal to 10. This, which is called the power, needs to have the exponent right here be an integer. That means it can't be a fraction. Let me show you 3 examples. These are not, right? This is in scientific notation. This is not. The factor here is not in between 1 through 10. This factor is not between 1 through 10. It's 0.9. This wouldn't work because the exponent here is not an integer. Okay? So, using those ideas, we can now do 6 through 11. Okay, we look. Is this in between 1 to 10? Yes. Is this an integer? Yes. So we would write yes. Yes. That's it. It's in, you could write scientific notation if you would like. Okay. There you go. Yes, it is in scientific notation. Good. Next one. Okay. Is the factor in between 1 through 10? Yes. Is the exponent a integer? Yes. So we would say yes. It is in scientific notation. Okay. What about this one? Is this number in between 1 through 10? No. 0.26 is not in between. So we would say no. Why? Because 0.26 is not between 1 to 10. Okay. Make sure you write the explanation. Next one. 10.5 times 10 to the 12. Is this factor in between 1 through 10? No. So we would say no. Why? 10.05 is not between 1 to 10. Let's look at this one. 46 times 10 to the negative 17. Is the factor here in front of, is the factor here between 1 through 10? We would say no. 46 is not between 1 to 10. And 11. It's 5 times 10 to the negative 19. Is 5 in between 1 through 10? So we would say yes. That is yes. It is in scientific notation. Okay. Good. There you go. That would be the first one. Next one. They say to write the number in standard form. Alright. Okay. Let's review that. Remember, the exponent tells you how many spots to move. If the exponent is negative, you move the decimal to the right. Here's your example that we did in class. The decimal starts here. The negative 4 means goes to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the dot. Empty spots, put in 0. Next, same thing here. If the exponent is positive, you move to the right. The dot's right here. We move to the right 5 times. Okay. Fill in the spots with 0. Good. That's your review. We're going to apply that information to do this one. Right? Let's write this number in scientific notation. So let me just write the number out first. Okay. right? It is 7. Okay. Let's just make it red. Yeah, 7. Good. Then we want to put the decimal. Where's the decimal here? Decimal's right there. Okay, it's at the end. And we want to move it 7. Right? That is to the right because it is positive. Right? So let's do that. Okay. Use blue for this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And put a dot right there. Oop. I could make the dot red so you could see it much better. Good. Then you fill it in. This becomes a circle. That becomes a 0. That becomes 0. That becomes 0. That becomes 0. That becomes a 0. That becomes 0. That becomes a 0. Okay. Then we could write that out. Because this is the work, I'm just going to write out the number now. Okay. You see? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There were 7 in total. Right? Hold on. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. So it is 70,000. Huh. One of you told me it was 7 million in class. It's 70. It's 70,000. Look at how many times you move it over. Okay. Let's do this one. All right. So we start by writing the 8. Good. We put the dot here at the end. Alright? And it says -3. We move to the right or we move to left? We move to the left. Because, you see, it's a negative. So we're going to... 1, 2, 3. Put a dot here for the... Fill it in. Okay. Then we can write out the number out. 0.008. Good. Oops, sorry. 0.008. Good. Notice this, the exponent here is positive, big number. The exponent here is negative, small number. The exponent here is positive, so this is going to be a big number, okay? Alright, let's do this. We put the 5. There you go. Put the dot. Then we go to the right or to the left? To the right, right? This is positive. So this is 1, 2. Good. Put the dot here. Fill in the spot. That becomes 0. That becomes a 0. So your answer would be 50. Okay. Okay. Good. Right? Do you see positive number? Positive exponent, large number. Good? Alright, let's do the next one. Okay? We already have the decimal right there. That is very easy for us to do. So 2.7. Okay, the decimal is already here. So now what we can do here is we can move it. Are we going to go to the right or to the left? Right? It's negative. We're making a small number. So go to the left. This is already 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the dot. Fill it in with zeros. Okay. Then it becomes 0.1232.7. There you go. Right? I just rewrote it neat. Okay. Again, show the work, write the final answer. Good. Same thing here. We start with what we have, which is 4.4. Good. Then we move based on the slope. Sorry, we move based on the exponent. -5. Positive or negative? It is a negative. Okay, so we're moving to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put in the dot. Good. Fill in the rest. 0, 0, 0, 0. So the final answer would be 0.00044. Right? Do you see how this is a small number because the exponent here is negative. Last one, 2.1. Write the number, 2.1. Alright, okay. Where's the decimal? Decimal's right there in between the 2 and the 1. Okay, move it to the right or to the left. It's a positive, so we go to the right. We're making a big number. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then you put the dot right there. Fill it in. 0, 0. Your final answer is 2100. Oh, sorry. That cut off. Final answer is 2100. There you go. That makes sense, right? 1, 2, 3. Yep, 21,000. Good. All right. There you go. Those are all your answers for Tuesday, February 19 for week 25.